right, we're heading out. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you guys are having an amazing day as always. We're finding ourselves here on New York, Manhattan. Usual on New York. I love coming to New York just because the view and all the shots that you can take here on New York, they're just so awesome. Currently putting my GoPro to the test here, as you guys can see, because in New York there's way too many idiots on the streets, including my dad. No, but seriously, I'm actually like, there's a lot of idiots on the street, and you know, we must have a dash cam. Well, this is not a dash cam, but at least something happens, have footage of, you know, what's happening. As you guys all know, my uncle Lee from Bronx, New York. We are not nearby Bronx, New York. We're here for picking up a glass because, as you guys all know, we need a glass to protect the front of this TV, because as you guys can know, and every time they get on the jacuzzi, is the water splashes and splashes and the TV can get damaged, and that's why we need this glass right here. So that's the reason why we must put a glass on top of the TV or in front of the TV. Man, do I love coming to New York. It just, the view is just great. Here in Manhattan, that was where I came last time. If you guys remember, where I found my dream car that I posted a video. I'll drop a car somewhere here. It was somewhere here, but I don't know where it is. You see what I'm talking about, people? Especially UPS kissing my ass. I mean, that's typical New York. You're never ever gonna be able to change that. I mean, the roads are all messed up. I remember like almost a year ago in December, I remember that we went to somewhere here. I know we walked through here, you know, before all this pandemic started happening, that we rented a van. We had to park the van. Well, my uncle had to park the van all the way, you know, really far away. I don't even remember where, but I know we walked through here or through here. I know we did walk through somewhere here. One more reason why I loved coming to New York is because you see tall ass buildings. I mean, I love New York. I love coming here just to visit, but to leave, I don't think so. Can you guys see the Lamborghini Urus over there? That thing is mean. And you have a Porsche. It's so awesome coming over to New York. And now talking about the truck has been doing fantastic. We drove 2 hours and she's just doing like fine, you know, nothing. She just asked for gas. She's a really thirsty girl. We fill up the tank. That gas should, you know, be enough to get home. One thing I like about New York is like there's stores literally in every single corner. Look at that. Tire shop, There's another top shop, tire shop right there. Damn, what the hell happened to that car? Jesus. But yeah, like I was saying, there's in every single corner you see a shop, literally. Coffee shop right there. Houses everywhere. Honestly, you don't see a lot of houses here in New York. You see a lot of apartments. Cause let's be honest, New York is not a place to have a house, to live, you know. New York is not a place to live comfortable, honestly, in my opinion. I don't know about you guys' opinion. Leave your opinions in the comments below. Hope you guys can read that what the truck has on the back. There's no way you guys can see that, but it says, yeah, you can see that. You can read that. You can perfectly read that. You can read that, definitely. Alright, so we have arrived to the place. We believe that that's the place right there. I have been filming now on my GoPro for 51 minutes. As you guys can see here, it's backwards, but it says, oh, it says 1 hour. So I actually have been filming for 9 extra minutes. So I have been filming for an hour now. It's crazy because I just filmed that truck over there in the front almost crashed into my truck. So I hope the GoPro picked that up. But man, I shit myself. But yeah, it was really close. I hope the GoPro picked that up. Like I said, until I edit all this video, that's when I'm gonna know. Look how fucking close this truck is literally to hit my truck. Like, I'm serious, they don't play games right here. Alright, so we just pick up the piece that we needed it for the, you know, the front of the TV. I'm not gonna be able to show it to you now because this is New York and there's a lot of traffic. Literally, I'm just sitting on the side of the road, so it's really dangerous. But now we're heading back home, so I'm not gonna be filming anything. Well, if I do see something interesting on the way home, I'll definitely, you know, show it out. But as of right now, I'm not gonna film anything at all.